How's it going, guys? I want to do a video on an unfortunate event that happened with my pellet stove here. One of these heat exchanger tubes popped out. Take a look here. You can see there's 4 of them on each side. And if we go underneath here, we can see that the one just fell down. It looks like it actually attaches up underneath there. I think it came down when I was trying to use this rod. They use these rods to clean these tubes. Kind of like this. This one popped down, so I'm going to try to bang this down and see if that helps, because it's tapered right here and it's not going past it. So we're going to give it a try and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, well, that worked. That's pretty awesome. I used a little WD-40 and I greased this whole area up right here, and then I just tapped on it and wiggled it at the same time up here, and it slid down. Now what I'm going to try to attempt to do is get this back up into where it's supposed to be. I'll see if I can do that in a minute. Okay, so I did it. I got it back. That was a pain in the butt. So you can see all 4 of them are back up there now. And I'm going to run it and let it get real hot and see if it reseats in there, because it's still kind of loose. You can see I can wiggle it around and I don't like that. Maybe if it gets real hot, the metal might expand and contract when it gets cold again and seat back in there, and then I won't use that cleaning rod for a few days to make sure. If not, I'm thinking I might just put maybe a little JB weld in there. But I couldn't find any videos on YouTube about this. Of course, it's my luck. I usually have all these like weird problems with everything. But in case you actually have this, I have a Quadra-Fire 1200 insert, and this heat exchanger tube fell down, which I called the dealer and they're like, that's only ever happened twice in the 20 years I've been there. So lucky me, happened to me, and I fixed it on my own. And you can fix it too with a little help from the YouTube channel and some WD-40 and a hammer. And that's all I got for this video. Make sure you subscribe and like to the Working Dad channel. Thanks, bye.